Welcome to episode 1 of the AQA English Language Series Exam Overview. Today, we are diving into the structure of the GCSE AQA language exams. We will look at papers 1 and 2 and cover everything you need to know to understand the setup of the exams. So let's get started. Your performance on the English language exams is measured using assessment objectives. However, before we delve into assessment objectives, let's provide a brief overview of the papers. Both papers are divided into two sections, reading and writing, requiring separate, yet overlapping skills. The marks are divided equally between the two sections of each paper. There are 40 marks for reading and 40 marks for writing across both papers. Each paper is therefore weighted 80 marks for a total of 160 marks over the two. Both papers require candidates to complete them in 1 hour 45 minutes. The GCSE English language examinations require students to demonstrate a range of skills across both papers. Both papers are equally weighted. These skills are measured in what's popularly known as assessment objectives. There are 5 assessment objectives assessed for Paper 1. The assessment for Section A of Paper 1, Reading, is shown on screen. Students will receive an unseen literary fiction text from a short story. The objectives for Section A range from simple identification of explicit and implicit information and ideas, Assessment Objective 1, to evaluating texts critically for Assessment Objective 4. Section B of the paper, Creative Writing, is 50% of Paper 1, requiring candidates to write either a narrative or a descriptive writing task. Candidates are assessed for their ability to communicate clearly, effectively, and imaginatively whilst maintaining good punctuation, spelling and grammar, as shown on screen. For Section B, students are assessed for Assessment Objective 5, Content and Organization, as well as Assessment Objective 6, which is Technical Accuracy. Paper 2, Writers' Viewpoints and Perspectives, has a structure similar to Paper 1. There are 2 sections, Section A Reading and Section B Writing. Candidates receive 2 texts or sources. There is 1 unseen non-fiction text and 1 unseen literary non-fiction text. Like Paper 1, Section A has 4 questions to answer based on the extracts, while Section B requires candidates to write to present a viewpoint. Candidates receive 1 extended writing question that may require them to write a speech, article or letter. The paper values 80 marks and constitutes 50% of the overall English language grade. As with Paper 1, Paper 2 assesses 5 key assessment objectives. Assessment objectives 1 to 3 are assessed in Section A of the paper, and assessment objectives 5 and 6 are assessed in Section B of the paper. The assessment objectives range from identifying and interpreting explicit and implicit information and ideas in non-fiction texts, to comparing writers' ideas and perspectives across 2 non-fiction texts. Comparatively, Section 2 of Paper 2 assesses the same objectives as Paper 1, except candidates will be assessed on their ability to write to present their opinions on a topic. Paper 2 Writing, likewise Paper 1, assesses the same Assessment Objective 5 Content and Organization and Assessment Objective 6 Technical Accuracy. There you have it. A quick overview of the AQA GCSE English language papers. It is important to know what to expect on each to adequately prepare for your examinations. Access the free AQA GCSE English Language Overview mini-course on our website. You can also sign up to other key courses to help you ease your exam woes in a fun, gamified and exciting way. See you soon for our next video in our series, AQA GCSE English Language Series. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with our latest videos. Also, don't forget to share, like and comment. Most importantly, watch this space for more fun ideas for studying your GCSE English language and literature exams.